Hey guys, it's Tim here. Got the kids with me. We are going to make a
pellet gun target
out of spoons. So we're gonna make a swinging target. So come follow us on our journey and we'll see what happens.
Heyo, heyo.
All right, so this is our layout. We got a 1/2-inch bar, which is well overkill for this project. I got some washers and the spoons laid out approximately what we're thinking there. But if I weld the washers halfway in between each of these, then it'll give it some wiggle room back and forth. The other thing that I found out in my scrap pile was this. It must have been, I'm guessing, a planter stand. Looks like I already stole the center out of that. My plan for that is I'll weld a heavy washer up here at the top, and I'll be able to slide the rod through that hole, and these feet will be able to stick in the ground. So that's my plan with that. So now we'll just have to weld these washers on and bend the spoon handle around. That's the plan. So let us get with that and we'll be back with you.
And I hope it works.
Okay, so here you go, Liam. We're ready. Tessa, you get your helmet on and ready. Liam, you hold this. And I'm going to tell you what you're going to do, so don't do it yet. Don't get that anywhere near the metal, because it'll be bright for both of us. Okay. I'm going to hold this right here, like that. Okay? And then right there at that crack is where I'll need you to put a tack. But not yet, not yet, not yet. I don't have my hood down, right? So then just, you always say eyeballs, and then you can go ahead and do it. That gives everybody a chance to put their hood on.
Wait.
Okay, Tessa's ready, almost ready. Ready? Put it on. I'm gonna put mine down. Ready?
Eyeballs?
Yep, whenever you're ready.
Nothing's happening.
Okay, take it away. Let me see. Okay, take it back. You gotta tap. See this flux? So let me actually just get it all restarted. The metal's in the middle, right? So you can't hit it on the side. You gotta hit straight down on there. Okay? Let me see your hand. This is what it's gonna be like. Let's say it's this rock, right? You're gonna touch it, and then just barely lift up, but you're gonna give it a good thump like that, okay? So wait, let me get ready.
Eyeballs?
Yeah, eyeballs. Go ahead.
Why do you say eyeballs? Oh.
Yep. Give it a good tunk. Yep.
Liam's loading.
He's trying. Before you make it too hot. Okay, ready? You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Okay. It's getting hot and sticky. Alright, eyeballs.
Eyeballs. Eyeballs.
Alright.
I can see it. Whoa! It just flashes. That. Good job. That's so cool.
What?
Because
When it goes, it gets dark. Yeah,
And
it's called
Dad.
auto darkening.
And Dad.
Oh, we need that other washer.
Look at it. And
Oh, this
Dad.
hurts my knees. Oh.
Daddy, is it because of... it looked like fireworks. Is it
Yeah.
because of these things?
Yep.
That was so
Exactly.
cool and it looked like fireworks. So that's why when I put my hand over, it darkened.
Somewhat. Okay, everybody getting their helmet back on?
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah.
Eyeballs.
Eyeball.
If we can.
Didn't that look like
All right, now this
fireworks?
is very hot. So do not touch that with your bare hands, okay?
Was that what?
Ready? Eyeballs.
Eyeballs. Dad, when you weld, it's like
Eyeballs.
eyeballs. You're right, it does look like fireworks. But sometimes they're green, sometimes they're yellow. It's cool.
Here's a big washer. Eyeballs.
Eyeballs. Eyeballs. Dad, you don't have to say eyeballs because we
Eyeballs.
eyeballs. We already have our hood shut.
It's so hard to do. Did we lose our ground somewhat? I don't know. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now we gotta find one more washer. Okay. Alright, so we got our spoons. We're gonna go smallest to biggest. So this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna put it on here.
Some more.
We're gonna go this way. And then we're just gonna bend it around. And
Kind of like smush it together.
yeah. So see, now it won't come off. It'll just stay there. Right? Uh-oh, now this is all out of order. I think this looks like the next smallest one.
Can I have?
Doesn't really matter.
No?
I really want to try.
It's hard.
If we had a smaller wire here, you could actually bend that and then tack weld it if you really wanted. Okay. What one did you want? Did you want this soup one?
Yeah.
Soup one.
Yeah, soup.
This one?
Next comes the soup spoon.
Soupy soup, soup, I'm waiting for you.
Okay. There's our soup spoon. Perfect. Yep. Dusting it out.
The next.
Be careful because these washers could be hot still. Is that one good? Ooh, this one might be a little tighter.
Some of them,
Oh no, see, that one's not gonna work good. We gotta do something.
see, that's what I'm afraid of. Cause like this one, look.
Oh,
Oh, that's good.
well, let me scoot down.
If it goes just right, this one can come off.
Okay, well, we'll fix it, okay? I got a plan. Oh yeah, this one bended nice and easy. Okay, let me go get
The soup
a
spoon.
super special tool.
What's the super special tool?
I don't know.
Tell me. Is it the wire cutters?
No, those are like special pliers.
No, there's nothing special. Okay.
What are they? Oh,
I just wanted to get this one to bend a little bit different. Instead of being so up tall, but
wait.
Can I try now? Is it this one?
that one should be good. Here.
Ah.
Okay, wait.
Yep, that's good.
That should be good. There. No.
All right, so we have all our little targets on, and none of them will come off. And show how they swing, guys. Yep, so when they get hit, they'll spin.
Boing, boing, boing.
That one might get
boing.
stuck, but I don't think it's gonna get hit that hard.
They're probably about like that.
Should we go try it?
Try.
All right, let's go set it up.
Let's set it up.
Okay, so we have the target set up down there. And Liam says he's going after the far right one, the biggest one. I heard it hit something, but I didn't see it move.
Which one are you going for?
Same one, big one.